Time to get this one back going. Little front end damage that can be replaced. Carburetor, handlebars. We're getting ready to put a new carburetor on there. Get this thing back going, all changed, tuned up, so we can power wash it down and make somebody Christmas. Stay tuned.
You know what this will do to you, huh?
That's how you park that thing. Quick little donut, not too much. This thing is running pretty good. Just gotta do a little bit of service to it. New oil, carburetors installed, gearing up, power wash it down. It's for sale. I did some gearing to it, so it's not for beginners, but it's ready. Finally going. We finally got it going. Let's see what I can do on this little 1-2. Something light, not too much.